So in the last video, I tried out a recipe from TikTok. It was one recipe, but you guys seem to really enjoy it. And after that, of course, with the cooking video boom in this time, I saw a lot of other recipes that I wanted to try from online sources. So I'm going to try out a few recipes that I found online that looked interesting to me. These are all vegetarian dishes that you can actually turn vegan as well. So if you're interested to watch how these recipes actually go, keep on watching. And welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen once again. The first recipe is gonna be a stir-fried fried rice, which I saw on Sherezade's vlog, and also I'm gonna add soy sauce to it, which honestly, surprisingly, I've never done. And I'm gonna chop up some vegetables, put them in, stir-fry the vegetables first, then put the rice, put some soy sauce on top, and I'm actually very excited, so let's go. Okay, I've got the rice. I made this today only. It's not a day-old rice. I've got some light soy sauce. It's reduced salt, so that's pretty good. Garlic, spinach. I don't have any vegetables as such. I guess I'll use this frozen batch of, this has peas, corn and carrots, so I think I'll work with this. Okay guys, this looks bomb.com. Like, would you just look at that plate? The greens and everything looks so pretty. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm so hungry and excited. Oh my god. I would recommend you try it because it's super simple and it has so many veggies and so like minimum ingredients. I like this kind of food where it's light but there's spice, like it's a good balance of two, so I really like it as a simple meal. I would definitely rate it a thumbs up. Good morning guys. For breakfast I'm gonna make a breakfast smoothie, and this recipe I'm taking from TikTok. It's from this girl called Steph Grasso. She is a registered dietitian, so that's pretty cool. This is the recipe. Oh, I'll put it on the screen. So the recipe, I specially went and bought pineapple and mango for this. I have to skin them and everything. Do you skin a fruit? So banana I don't have. I don't have banana because the grocery store didn't have it. Fresh turmeric root, I don't have that, but of course we have our good old haldi. I'm sure the turmeric root works differently than haldi, but let's see. She puts one about pinky size amount. That's a lot. So I'm putting half a spoon. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna taste. This feels weird. Now there's milk and ice. She said 1 cup milk of choice, so I have this much left. I guess that should be fine. And now I need to add ice, mango and pineapple. So first of all, I need to cut and get those things ready. I'll do it and then come for the taste test. Okay, so it's prepared. I did pulse it a bit more. It looks beautiful. I don't know if there are gonna be chunky bits, but I'm still using my thick straw. It smells very healthy. So okay, let's see. I should have gone less on haldi, but I'm not sure how I feel about this. I guess she said to use turmeric root, and turmeric root is obviously going to be less. Is it going to be less strong? Oh, she did say to use bananas to add to the sweetness, right? Once I'm used to it, it's not that bad. I don't mind adding some more mangoes though. I think I will because I just used half a mango. I'll drink some of it so that there's space, but all the contents that I used were enough for this. It's quite nice. I think it's a good way to add in haldi in your diet. I mean, of course we eat haldi because it's Indian, but it's a different recipe if you want to try. I don't mind this. It's like a nice immunity boosting shot. Okay guys, I have to tell you that after those first few sips, I just felt something weird in my stomach. Like, I just felt it was just weird, as if like something was bubbling up. Now it's okay. It's just too much turmeric, I guess. I'm gonna go add mango in it, man. This is not okay, no. Oh no! Hello everybody! Welcome back to the last meal tryout. Okay, so today we're doing a tofu scramble that I saw on Damon Dominique's channel. So he basically used some tofu crushed it, scrambled it, and he put lots of turmeric so it looks like it's scrambled egg, and he just ate it like that. I don't know how interesting that'll be for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a spin to it. So this is the tofu that I got, and then I'm gonna put some frozen vegetables in it, and then there's some garlic. I'm very excited, so let's do this. Does this not look like scrambled eggs or paneer bhurji? Like, let me know. It looks so good, right? And it smells so good too. So I'm super excited to have it. All I did was put some of those frozen vegetables in and some black pepper. Oof! I'm gonna eat it with roti and I'm very excited. It's very hot. I put a lot of black pepper on, and that is bringing out the flavor so much, guys. This only has haldi, salt and black pepper. This is delicious. The most easiest meal I've ever had to do the other rotis. I highly recommend you guys to try this. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. This tastes so bomb. I am so excited about this meal. I have one more packet of that tofu. I'm definitely making this. Thank you, Damon Dominic. I mean, you know, you should take recipes from people who don't really cook, because they're gonna make the best ways. They're gonna make the best lazy recipe, and I am sold. That was a delicious video experiment to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did experimenting with all these foods. Cooking can be fun if you just make it out to be. So I hope you find your inspiration to cook and find the fun in cooking and eating and everything that's food. And if you want, you can watch my previous cooking adventures or that TikTok video I spoke about right here on the screen, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!